winds for a time. In fact, if you live in the far north of Northern Ireland or the far northwest of Scotland, your winds may even hit 90 or 100 miles per hour at times, enough to cause some structural damage and certainly some disruption. But generally, that said, those winds will be strong enough, I think, to cause problems for many of us on Tuesday and Wednesday. All of that, of course, following on from the disruption we've had recently thanks to the weekend's wet and windy weather. The 2 severe flood warnings in the northwest of England have now been dropped, but 7 remain in force for Scotland. If you're at all concerned, 0845 988 1188 is the number to call. Fortunately, though, the weather so far today has been much kinder for Scotland and for Northern England. Just a scattering of showers around here, a few more to come this afternoon, but for many, dry and fine with some bright spells. And that's the picture for much of the UK, in fact, with the exception, though, of the southeast and East Anglia. Some thicker cloud here and some quite persistent rain, which I don't think will clear Kent and Essex until after dark. A breezy afternoon, certainly, but nowhere as windy as it has been, and certainly nowhere near as windy as it is going to be either. A mild afternoon for most of us, temperatures into double figures in the south. It's tonight, though, that things really start to get wound up once again. A fine start to the night, but rain arriving in Scotland and northern England by dawn, and we'll see the wind starting to pick up by this stage as well. The first signs of this deep, vicious area of low pressure starting to move its way across the UK. It's going to be with us for Tuesday, swinging through the rain. Still with us on Wednesday, the rain gone, but the worst of those winds continuing. Tuesday starting certainly on a very wet note then in western areas, the rain pushing its way through quickly, but nevertheless most of us seeing another inch of rain. Western Scotland may be picking up around 2 inches. Brighter to the west as the day wears on, but some showers moving in. Those winds, though, really starting to catch a grip later on in the afternoon. Temperatures pretty much academic on the face of it, but up into double figures for many of us for tomorrow afternoon. The winds, though, the real thing to watch out for. In the far north of Northern Ireland, Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night, a risk of them gusting 80 or 90 miles an hour. And for western Scotland, certainly the brunt of it on Tuesday evening, Tuesday night, and for Wednesday, we'll see those winds really kicking up towards the north. I'll hand you now back to Anna.